Laptops are generally prone to problems pertaining to their screen, and if you are getting this vertical line on your laptop screen, there can be hardware or software fault. So we need to check it on whether it is a hardware fault or software fault. If it is a hardware fault, then you need to displace the screen, but if it is a software fault, then you can do it on your own. So let's check it out what we need to do. First thing, we need to download HP PC Diagnostics. So simply search this thing on Google and open the first link. From here you can download this file. It is very useful file. So when you click on this first sign, you will scroll down and herein you will get an option to download. Simply click on this and download this software. After downloading this software, this screen will come up. So you need to do all the scanning system information, computer tests. You can do all this test and see whether the problem is with this particular software or not, and it will also provide you solutions which you need to do. Make sure to do all this scanning, automatic scan. You can also run computer scan. You can see this is start test, fast test. You can do this. You can switch to extensive test as well. Device check, you can do that thing as well. You can check your input devices, all the processor and everything you can check from here. The second step is to install HP display drivers. So make sure to download the latest drivers. So display drivers are very important to resolve this issue. So download them quickly from the official website of HP only. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. After doing both this process, make sure to restart your PC and then see whether this issue get resolved or not. And if it is a hardware issue, then you need to go to a hardware shop and you need to get in touch with any hardware engineer and replace your screen. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.